Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Petra and thank you for stopping by. Welcome back. And I'm just gonna say welcome back because when I say welcome back to those that have been here, it's just blah 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 blah. So welcome back or welcome. And I today am going to do a look on kind of a sunset eye. I know there's a lot of those out there, but I'm gonna do my own take on one. And I think I'm gonna use a couple of the Juvia's Place palettes. There's the Magic palette, the Saharan, and then I have also the Zulu. So without me blabbing any further, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is this shade called Eyeliner out of the Magic palette by Juvia's Place, and it's just a very deep purple shade, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it on my Sephora Pro Crease brush number 19, and I'm just gonna start out just really light. I want to kind of build, whoa, I always forget how pigment these are, but I'm gonna take this pretty high above the crease to start. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush. This is my Sigma E40, and then just kind of blend out the edges slightly. So it should look like this right now. Just kind of got that purple as my upper crease shade. Next shade I'm gonna go into is out of the Zulu palette, and these don't have names on them, but it's the bright orange shade. And this is my MAC 239 brush. And I think I'm gonna do the outer and inner corners with this. And then I'm gonna take my Sigma E35 brush and then just kind of merge all this together a little bit. Out of the Saharan by Juvia's, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's this very bright red orange shade. It is called Sokoto. I'm taking that Sigma E45 brush again, and then I'm just gonna put that kind of on top in the outer corner as well, and then blend up and over a little bit. And then I'm also gonna take that in the inner corner and I'm just gonna put that right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a break on the upper eye right now, and I'm gonna go back into that bright orange shade from Zulu, and then I'm gonna go blend out underneath my eye right now with that. And back in with Sokoto. I'm gonna deepen up the purple a little bit in the crease here. I know I'm looking really frightening right now because of all this red underneath, and you know, I know it's looking scary. Just hang tight, hang tight. I'm gonna go in with this purple because it's a little bit brighter in the Zulu palette. So I'm gonna take, this is a Coastal Sense 11 brush. Whoa, that is bright. I'm gonna just do it on that outer edge. I don't know, it's kind of blending in. I thought it might show a little more brightness of purple, but it's not. Then we're gonna take the brush I was using for my under eye, the MAC 239, and then I'm gonna go into that bright purple shade again and go a little closer to the lash line. Then I'm gonna go into, for the middle of my eye that I've left blank, I'm gonna go into Wodaabe, I think is the name of the shade. It's this like very bright gold shade. That's out of the Saharan palette. And I think I'm gonna go in just with my finger and tap that all over the center of my lid. Alright, so this is just a little Coastal Scents number 17 brush. Very tiny tip, if it's even focusing. Yeah, and then take a little bit and just put that in the inner corner. And then for my brow, I'm gonna go into Iman, which is this bright white kind of shade, and just barely tap, and then I'm just gonna put that in to highlight and kind of blend the purple into that a little bit. Alright you guys, so I am pretty much done with the eye look. All I'm gonna do now is go in with some lashes and liner, and then I will be back after that. Alright you guys, so I am back. This is the lashes and liner. I went in with this NYX Extreme Shine eyeliner right here in the shade Purple Haze, and it just looks like that. And I just did that in the waterline, and then I tightlined a little bit. I didn't feel like doing a black, so I just went in with that one. And then now let's just go ahead and add a little bit of color back to my face, because I have all this on my eyes and I don't really have anything to balance the rest of my face out. So I'm gonna go in with my Milani blush here. This is the shade Delizioso Pink, and it's just a nice, fun, bright pink shade, kind of matte. And I'm just gonna go in with my MAC 129. It's kind of like a contour and blush brush. And then all the other products will be listed below that I used on my face, because I did have a base on before I obviously started filming. So fun. I feel like it's time to go out dancing now. Too bad it's like Monday. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder. This is the shade Royal Calyx, and it's like a fun purple shade. I thought that would be kind of fun to use as a highlight since my eyes are purple. So I'm gonna go in with that. Their highlighters are really, really fun. Probably not really the best for my skin tone, but I'm thinking like I wouldn't probably wear this out every day, but to kind of like marry all of the purple tones together, I thought it would be fun to kind of do that. And then to give it even more of a pop, I'm gonna go in with this shade from the Goth Graphic collection from Wet n Wild. This is the shade White Raven, and once again, you can't ever really see the iridescence to it, but there's quite a bit of iridescence to this. So we're just gonna put that on the tops too. Whoa. Just to kind of make it even a little crazier. A little bit crazier. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this NYX, another purple shade. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Suede matte lip liner, and it is in the shade Oh Put It On. So that's what it's called. So I'm gonna go in with that to line my lips first. Then I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D's Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. This is in Piaf. It looks like that. And I'm gonna go in with that. It's kind of a darker brownish purple shade. It has like a little bit of metallic in it, so it might be fun for this look. Who knows? I may end up taking it off, but let's just try this out. Whoa, so now that I look like that, okay, that's real fun. I'm gonna go in with this lipstick. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. Just went in, it's kind of that one of those like sunset type of eyes, and then I went in with a dark lip and then kind of some crazy like, whoa, blush highlights. I love those Juvia's Place palettes. So anyways, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, if you like my channel. Why does that sound so bad? I don't know. I'm just gonna stop. I should just stop saying that. Whatever. You know what? You guys can just subscribe at the end when I put on my little thing, blah, 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 whatever.